What do you do? You want get suspended? You're not supposed to smoke on school property. Put it out, O'Shane.
Surprised you not talk to me. You haven't spoken to me in a week. So, what is it? Why are you there?
Well, I have a project and I need your help with it.
Oh, so I'm not good enough for you to talk to. But now you need my help for your project. Funny.
I had a lot going on, okay? That's why I wasn't talking to you. It's nothing serious. I don't see why you vexed me before. I was just going through something, okay? I had a lot on my mind.
I understand. Why not go ask Denzel for this project with you?
What the hell? What are you talking about? I don't. Me and Denzel, we're not even friends.
Really? You look really comfortable with him at the party though.
What had to do with anything? He just asked me to dance and I said yes.
Alright. Just like, oh, you do that, go ask him for help you with your project.
You know what? Bye.